I just wanted to share a concrete example of trying to think outside the box. All right. I had Claude Code expand on this idea. This panel is a diagnostic panel, and items are logged here every time I try to add, take away, undo, redo, reshape. Any action that I do here with adding, creating, modifying, deleting objects, it adds here. And then I can take this and give it to Claude Code to help me debug why in this particular instance I want this side road to attach at 90 degrees to the main road and it's not. And so I had Claude Code expand on this detail, and then I want to show you its response. So this is a snapshot of Claude Code responding. So good, the detail, which I just showed you, diagnostics are doing exactly their job. This log tells a clear story. And then it describes what I was trying to do just by looking at the log. This is exactly the kind of concrete evidence I needed. Thank you. Let me read the rule junction so I'm not hand waving. Now, before we added the detail, this is what would happen. So say I want to create a road. There it is. Oh, okay. Let me do it here. There, okay, I attached it. Now, before the detail, let me get rid of that. What would happen is I would grab this anchor point here and try to anchor it to the road, and it would just reject, and it would tell me that's it, I can't do it. But this only shows what I tried. It doesn't. So what I tried to do then is this. I go, well, let me just keep moving it to where it does succeed until I get as close as I can. And because it's creating records, I can give this to Claude Code and say, look, this, you can tell by the movement here, the progression of the log, what I was trying to do. But then I realized, well, no, because these are successes and they don't have detail. Only the errors have detail. So that's the new thing. Now the successors, whatever succeeds, also has detail. So the overall point that I was trying to make is get creative with ways that you can get AI to help you. You have to help AI so AI can help you. AI is excellent at debugging if you give it enough specific information. And so rather than me trying to get really wordy here and say, look, I was trying to do this, that, and the other, I just give it raw, real, specific data, and it can get so much just from that. All right, so Claude has come up with a fix. It's going to help me attach this road. So let's see if that's true. Yep. See, it curves automatically. See that? Let's undo that. Let's drag the road over some, way over here. And let's try it again. And it should curve on its own. There we go. Now, interestingly enough, it has to be far enough. So it is trying to see if it's far enough away from this mountain. But so good. That data, it helped. It makes these improvements. There's still another problem. And again, the data help. Watch me drag this whole mountain over here. If I drag it too much, it won't let me. But the rule isn't quite done because look, I can encroach a little bit. See, that stayed. That these show as correct. They're not red. Look at that. Still not red. So it's only when I encroach too much that that does the rule correctly. So then now I give it this new data and I show it, look, the encroachment rule is still not being followed.